Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video where I am going to give you my top 4 KDP niche for Q3, and that is July, August and September, and it's dominated by one main event which I tell you about in a moment. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niches are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name's Ruma Rai and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. That's your money I am talking about. And if you do like videos like that, then please do give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell to receive notification of when I produce more videos like this. So now we are going to Amazon KDP Marketplace. And today's our first niche is cashier journal and logbook. Cashier journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 171. Obviously this is a micro niche and with a low competition and high profitable niche. And this is a unique niche, cashier journal and logbook. And our second niche is sales associate journal and logbook. Sales associate journal and logbook. And here the results only shows 241. So obviously this is a micro niche with low competition and high profitable niche is sales associate journal and logbook. And our third niche is laboratory notebook. And our third niche is laboratory notebook. Here the results only shows 1000 results. So obviously this is a small niche with a low competition and high profitable niche is laboratory notebook. So here we see 230 review laboratory notebook and the book size is 8 inch to 10 inch. So we check the book. This is a book cover and this is a interior pages. This is the interior pages and these interior pages make it so very easy. So we are making laboratory notebook and publish on Amazon KDP and earn a lot of money. And our fourth niche is cornell notebook. Our fourth niche is cornell notebook. Obviously, we can say this is a small niche with low competition and high profitable niche cornell notebook. Here we see cornell notebook and that is 24 review already. So we check that book cover and also interior pages. Here this is a book cover and interior pages. And interior pages, this is obviously a good and make it very easy. So this book cover and interior pages make it very easy. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into, and as I say, if you choose your keywords correctly and make good cover, good manuscript, you are able to rank for sub niche within this main niche. Okay, onto the so thank you so much.